Hello students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Luther Aziz School Jhansi. Today we are starting with chapter 2 of class 12th business studies, that is principle of management. So we will cover 6 topics today: management principles, pure science principle, management techniques, values, features of management, importance of management. So students, first of all, we have to study what do you mean by the term word principle. Principle refers to a statement which reflects the fundamental truth about some phenomena based on cause and effect relationship. So as I have written in my whiteboard, first, what is management principle? Management principles are very flexible. Management principles are applied with creativity. Management principles have to keep pace with the change in environment. Now, pure science principle. Pure science principles are rigid, they are non-flexible. These are scientific principles are applied in absolute or static manner. Scientific principles do not change with the change in time. So, third thing is management techniques. Management techniques are method and procedure which involve series of steps to be performed to accomplish a goal. Management techniques are less flexible. And last, values. Values are ethical in nature. Values are guidelines for human behavior. So students, now we will discuss nature or feature of management principles and importance of management principles. So we have written 7 features of management principle. First is universal. All management principles are universal in nature. They can be applied in hospital, they can be applied in any industries, they can be applied at any level. They are generally a guideline. They give us directions. All management principles are formed by regular practice and experiments. Fourth, management principles are flexible in nature. They can be changes, they can be altered according to the condition or situation. Management principles are cause and effect relationship based. They find cause and its relationship, how it affect the coming event. They are contingent. Contingent means they are based as per as the situation, or they can be molded or changed with the situation. And lastly and mainly, behavior. Management principles is associated with human behavior. They try to motivate their needs, they try to change their perception, they try to understanding of their psychology. Now the last topic is importance or significance of management principle. Why management principles are important for us? First point is providing manager with useful insight into reality. They give us the platform to understand the market competitor strategy properly so that we can fight with them. Second, optimum use of resources. Resources means financial resources, human resources. Management principle will allow us to make a proper and best use of the limited resources. Third, all the decisions will be scientific and logical in nature. There will be no any approximation. Fourth point, effective administration. The administration of any enterprise will become more effective by the use of management principles. Fifth point, management training, education and research. When you are making things more scientific and more logical, you need to provide them training, you need to give them management education, and you have also need to do research in that management field. Sixth and last, fulfill of social responsibility. As I have told you earlier that any business enterprise is the organ of the society, and there is a reciprocal relationship between society and the business house. So students, these are the 6 merits, these are the 6 importance of management principles and these are the 7 features of the management principle. Management principle, pure science principle, management technique and values. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.